Hi guys, welcome back to a new Blender tutorial. So today we're doing mirrors, lighting and textures. So we're going to keep the default cube actually, but I'm going to go ahead and maybe add another. Let's see, we're going to add a cube. Just going to scale it out. I'm going to make it like a corridor. So I'm going to show you guys some stuff. So I'll put it roughly about there. I'm just going to get the camera angle in. Let me not get my words out today. Get the camera angle in on this. So I can show you a little better. So let's see. You want to go view. Align camera to view. Just back that up. Oh, actually, I can't back that up. But okay. So I'm just going to make this a little bit longer as well. Okay, so the camera can only see so far, so I'm just going to extend that reach a little bit. Alright, so mirrors, textures and lighting. So at the moment, whilst we've got the render the way that it is, just zoom that in for you a little bit. Notice that we've got a very dark corridor, but we've only got one light. So what we want to do, especially with the mirrors and your reflections and stuff like that, I'm just going to scale this default cube up. We're going to get rid of that light so it's completely dark in there. Also, I'm going to do one thing with the background here, so it's gonna work out better for you guys. Okay, so we're going to go with emissions first with the default cube, and all you want to do with emissions is make sure that you've got the cube selected, and you want to go to principal BSDF, and we're going to go with emission, and this will make everything glow in here. Now you're going to want to turn this up a little bit so that the rest of the scenery glows alongside it. I mean, you could go to 100,000 if you wanted, or a little bit higher. So this box needs texture as well, so we're going to go with metallic, maybe just a little metallic all the way. Okay, so we take it off Eevee, put it in cycles, and boom, you've kind of got all this stuff going on here. This is because I've just changed it into a mirror. So if I just get rid of this, it's just a white room now with a block in the middle of it. And hopefully it should show me. There we go. So if I put this down to 100, we notice that the block illuminates the room. Let's see. So yeah, we have the block illuminating the room right there. So if I add another object to here, let's go with cylinder. Scale it up a little bit. We'll make the cylinder a green colour. And then, yeah, we're going to make the outside a mirror. So just make it metallic. Turn the roughness down. You notice that it puts a mirror at the top, the sides and the bottom, and that will continue all the way through. Until the end. So you can kind of get this like really funky pattern when it actually loads in, because we're currently on the render page but it's taken a while. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this and just make it a little bit smaller. We see that it has a reflection on the floor there. Just like that. Coming for you a little bit. Because if we can make another one of these, you see that it reflects up against that wall right there. can also make one there. We can make a reflection just coming in there. Just behind that cube. So yeah, this tutorial is a little bit of a strange one today, but this is basically mirrors, and you've got emissions in there as well. Different lighting techniques and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, a follow, subscribe, whatever you can do really. See you in the next one.